Welcome, cruise lovers. This is your cruise news today, Wednesday, May 1st, 2024. Today, Celebrity Ascent is heading for Europe. The Carnival legend arrives in Europe for this summer. Virgin Voyages talks about Brilliant Lady, the Margaritaville's fourth ship sea trials, and Hard Rock and Royal Caribbean partner. IFAT has the latest cruise news for you. And if you're enjoying my content, please leave a comment, like, and share. You are the reason we are doing it. We love our clients. We're excited to introduce Celebrity's new Europe season. We have 6 award-winning ships from our fleet in these waters, including 3 of our amazing Celebrity Edge ships, featuring our newest ship, Celebrity Ascent. For the first time, we're excited to have our revolutionary Edge series ship, Celebrity Apex, sailing from Southampton for a full season. Scandinavia, Netherlands, Ireland, and Iceland must-see places for every world traveler. With 7 departure ports across Europe and itineraries ranging from 4 to 14 nights. With this new season, we're also introducing more new places than we've ever gone before, including Bordeaux, Pauillac, France, Brindisi and Trieste, Italy, and Volos and Kavala, Greece. Plus, we're returning to some of our favorite locations in Europe that we haven't visited in some time, such as the Amalfi Coast of Italy and Gdansk, Gdynia, Poland. Not to be outdone, the Carnival legend embarked on a transatlantic voyage from Norfolk in mid-April and recently docked in Europe, where it will stay for the summer. The 12-night journey included stops in Portugal and Spain, concluding in Barcelona on April 27th. Before launching its summer schedule, the ship underwent significant refurbishment at the Chantier Naval de Marseille in France. This overhaul involved technical maintenance and upgrades to public spaces and staterooms, potentially introducing new features, such as the Heroes Tribute Bar and Lounge, now being added across more ships in the Carnival fleet. Following renovations, the Carnival legend is set to begin a 5-month European itinerary, covering Northern Europe and the Mediterranean. The season opens with an 8-night round-trip cruise from Barcelona on May 30th, touching ports in Italy, France, Spain, and Malta. In June, the ship will move to Northern Europe, operating out of Dover, England, with cruises ranging from 9 to 12 nights through the British Isles, Iceland, Scandinavia, and the North Sea. After summer, the legend will head back to the Mediterranean until late August and then return to North America in early November. During September and October, it will navigate 10-night cruises through the Greek Isles, Italy, and Turkey. The ship plans a transatlantic return to Florida, subsequently starting its 2024-25 winter schedule in Tampa. Virgin Voyages is gearing up to reveal plans for its latest edition, the Brilliant Lady, a 770-passenger ship delivered earlier this year and currently stationed in Europe. The company has sparked anticipation with teaser videos on its social media and website, hinting at something brilliant coming and promising epic news that will include new destinations. These teasers feature silhouettes of iconic North American landmarks like Seattle's Space Needle, Los Angeles' Hollywood sign, and New York City's Statue of Liberty. The full announcement is scheduled for May 1st, 2024, via a live broadcast on Virgin Voyages' website. The Brilliant Lady, constructed by Fincantieri in Italy, represents the 4th ship in Virgin's Ladyship series. Its debut was originally set for late 2023, but was postponed due to unforeseen issues in construction, supply chains, and staffing. We aim to ensure the ship meets the high standards our sailors expect from an award-winning brand like Virgin Voyages, the company stated following the cancellation of the inaugural season. No new launch date has been provided, and the ship remains docked in Italy. Virgin Voyages operates 3 other ships, offering year-round Caribbean itineraries and seasonal Mediterranean trips. Despite canceling the upcoming winter season in Australia, the company plans to return to Northern Europe in August with cruises from the UK on the Resilient Lady. Virgin Voyages is known for its adults-only cruises, which aim to deliver an intimate and sophisticated boutique hotel at sea experience. And now, recently refurbished at the Harland and Wolff shipyard in Belfast, the Margaritaville at Sea has successfully completed its sea trials in the Irish Sea, as confirmed by Margaritaville at Sea. The vessel achieved excellent results during these tests. Most of the refurbishment work on the cruise ship, originally built in 2000, has now been completed. The ship is preparing to move to North America in preparation for its upcoming inaugural season. Starting this June, The Margaritaville at Sea Islander will begin offering 4- and 5-night cruises from Port Tampa Bay to the Western Caribbean and Florida. The itineraries will include stops in Key West, Cozumel, and Puerto Progreso, with 1 or 2 days at sea. Looking ahead to 2025, the vessel, which can accommodate 2,100 guests, plans to expand its offerings to include 6- and 7-night cruises to various Caribbean destinations such as Belize, Jamaica, and Grand Cayman. The ship's design is inspired by Carnival Cruise Line's Spirit class and has been in service since the early 2000s. Hard Rock International, Seminole Gaming, and the Royal Caribbean Group brands, Royal Caribbean International and Celebrity Cruises, have announced a global partnership aimed at enhancing the experiences of their guests and team members, as per a recent press release. Under this collaboration, guests will enjoy benefits including accommodations, meals, and discounts across Hard Rock and Seminole casinos, hotels, cafes, as well as on Royal Caribbean International and Celebrity Cruises ships. Members of the brand's casino rewards programs will gain access to exclusive perks through Unity by Hard Rock, Royal Caribbean's Club Royale, and Celebrity Cruises' Blue Chip Club. These benefits apply when members play, stay, dine, or shop at participating Hard Rock venues or travel on Royal Caribbean and Celebrity ships. Jesse Hopfinger, Senior Vice President of Onboard Revenue at Royal Caribbean International, emphasized the seamless integration of vacation and entertainment experiences that the partnership offers. He highlighted opportunities for guests to enjoy gaming, dining, and entertainment, extending to visits to the Royal Caribbean's award-winning private island Perfect Day at Coco Cay in the Bahamas. Jeff Hook, Executive Vice President and Chief Marketing Officer at Seminole Hard Rock Support Services, expressed excitement about combining entertainment and travel. He noted that the partnership allows guests to extend their cruise vacations at Hard Rock properties close to ports, visit global Hard Rock hotel and cafe locations, and enjoy the cruise line's offerings. The partnership will officially launch with a celebration event headlined by Zedd on Friday, April 26th at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Hollywood Guitar Hotel Pool. The festivities will continue the next day at Royal Caribbean's Terminal A at Port Miami, featuring music and a cruise giveaway on the Icon of the Seas. Additionally, during a 7-night Caribbean cruise on the Icon departing the same day, guests will experience surprise events by Hard Rock. On board, the Hard Rock Cafe will offer the Messi Burger, named after the soccer star Lionel Messi, at no additional cost. This cruise will visit Perfect Day at Coco Cay, Costa Maya, and Cozumel in Mexico, and Roatan in Honduras. Turning to emerging markets, the Philippines is fast becoming a go-to cruise destination in Asia, promising a unique blend of culture, natural beauty, and hospitality. To wrap up the financial corner, Royal Caribbean Group has reported its first quarter earnings, offering a glimpse into the financial health of the industry. In conclusion, the cruise industry is teeming with action, introducing new voyages, architectural plans, business disclosures, up-and-coming destinations, the most recent in connectivity solutions, and economic reports. Keep your eyes peeled for further thrilling news from the cruising world. Want to stay in the loop or book your next exciting adventure? Call us at 855-22-95723 or visit infinityfunandtravel.com for more details. Your next amazing cruise is just a click or call away. Stay connected with us for more exciting updates or to book your next cruise. You can reach us at 855-22-95723 or visit our website at infinityfunandtravel.com. We're always here to answer your questions and help you plan your next adventure. We look forward to sailing with you soon.